Talking about the renewable source, we have the soil. So this gets renewed back to back. Decomposition process starts, it gets dry. Then we have another one, that is your sun, the biggest solar energy of the universe. With the help of this, we can generate the electricity. We can live a life with the help of this biggest source. The another one which we have the wind energy, so we can this is one of the windmills are there. We can keep on generating the electricity with the help of the wind, with the windmills. So the clouds are also the part of the same. They keep on renewable, but if we keep on destroying our nature for our environment, then one of the day they will get exhausted completely. The beauty of the nature brings the humans, they attract the humans towards them, and the same what we have around us. So this is very important, that to maintain, to preserve the nature, not just for our greed, for our purpose, to fulfill our purpose. You can see for the humus what we have, the dry leaves which we have around us, finally they will get decomposed, they will get mixed up with the nature, mother nature, and finally again such type of fauna will be in a grown up, in a blown up form. We get to see for the beautiful flowers when the mother nature take care of it, but if we go against of the nature, then the same position in a dry form, it will start to happen with us and with the nature, and then we'll start to lose our beautiful nature. You can see how beautiful the sun is going to get set now. With the help of the abiotic resources, we start to make the roads. We are constructing the roads, and we are using these resources for the transportation, communication, walking. Right now I'm jogging and with enjoying the beauty of the water, and this is completely for the human purpose, and this is called as a human resource by making the use of the natural resource. When we talk about the natural resource, this is the main beauty, the most important beauty which we have around us. The birds are there, they're chuckling, they're glittering, and they're enjoying their own world. And when the time comes for the humans, we start to destruct the same. You can see how the way they are enjoying their evening right now. Let's come now on the conclusion of the chapter, that is about sustainability and the conservation of the resources. Sustainability means using the resources without harming them or without making a overuse of it, and keeping a stock for the coming generation. So as I'm talking about the sustainability, it's very important that what the resources which we are using right now, we have to use them in a limitation. Then only our coming generation will be able to enjoy these resources, because it takes time for the minerals, for the resources to get generated. It takes around million years or so. Like a fossil fuel, it is not about in a 10 years the fossil fuel, the crude oil will be available for us. Though it is in abundant, but still we have to sustain it. We have to use it in a proper way without wasting the resource. Next, if I talk about the conservation, this is the concept about using the resource in a judicious way. It's not about like if I get the resource, I'm just wasting it. It's about like I'm using the crude oil or the fossil fuel or the petrol, like a water, abundant source of the water is there, and I'm just using it constantly, making a discriminate use of it. It should not be like that. Though if you got the canal water over here, but you can't drink it, though you have an abundant source of it, but you can't utilize it on time, for that you have to purify it, you have to filter it, then only it is possible to use this resource. Oceanic water, sea water, though we have an abundant source, but it is not possible to use them on an emergency time. So it's very important to sustain and to conserve the resources. For first thing, sustainability for our coming generation, and conservation of the resources in a proper judicious way, so we can reserve them, we can keep them safe, so our coming generation will use or enjoy these resources. Thank you.